Hello everybody and welcome to FastCreditCardApprovals.com YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about 0% interest credit cards, what they are and how to use them. Credit cards can sometimes receive a bad rap by financial advisors because the interest rates can quickly spiral out of control and drag consumers into a deep pit of debt. Fortunately, not all credit cards are alike. Research is required to find out the ones with the best interest rates. You can use a credit card wisely if you make sure you're getting the right card. Zero interest credit cards are the way to go because there is no interest charged. This helps keep debt from snowballing when you make purchases, which of course is what credit cards are meant to do. Zero interest credit cards are credit cards that do not charge any interest on card purchases for an agreed upon amount of time. Many credit cards charge nominal to ridiculous interest rates each month, making zero-interest credit cards more and more appealing to consumers. Every purchase you make with these credit cards will need to be paid off at the same price that was charged to the card in the first place. You will receive a statement each month that will need to be paid unless your agreement has factored in some sort of no payment deal for a certain amount of time. So, why would you want a credit card without interest? Because they are excellent for those in debt or those who know they will need to cover a very large expenditure. Large debts can sometimes be transferred to zero-interest credit cards and thus relieve massive financial burdens for a while. To apply for a credit card that doesn't charge interest, applicants usually need a fairly good credit score. This may not be a hurdle if you are working towards repairing your score, however. Make sure that you apply only for the ones that you want, because applying for too many cards at once typically looks bad to credit companies. The zero-interest policy can last anywhere from a few months to a few years, depending on which credit card and company you enroll with. When you do apply, make sure that you read all the fine print to avoid unpleasant surprises. While the zero-interest policy will eventually expire with all credit card agreements, your best bet when borrowing credit is to get a credit card with zero interest charge for the longest period of time. Make sure that you do your research and figure out when you can start to handle the interest charges. Make sure you keep your spending under control because it will have to be paid back eventually. To find out the right credit card for all your needs, visit us at FastCreditCardApprovals.com.